Hello all, welcome to chapter 22 from the book of Joshua. In the beginning of this chapter, we see Joshua called the Reubenites, the Gadites, and half the tribe of Manasseh and informed them to go back to their places of inheritance, as they had kept their promise of not returning home until all of the promised land was conquered. Joshua blesses them and instructs them to keep all of God's commandments and also to serve God with all of their heart and soul. Joshua instructs them to take with them the spoil of war and divide it amongst themselves. The armies of the 2.5 tribes of Israel leave Shiloh and head back to their land. We then see when the 2.5 tribes reach between the border of the promised land and their land, which was outside the promised land, they built an impressive altar. The rest of the tribes of Israel heard about this altar and gathered together at Shiloh to wage war on the 2.5 tribes of Israel. Before going into war, Phinehas the son of Eleazar, the priest, and representatives from each tribe are sent to confront the leaders of the 2.5 tribes of Israel. Phinehas speaks to them and states that building such an altar was treachery and rebellion against God. Phinehas offers them to live among the tribes in the promised land if in case there were problems like uncleanness in their land. We then see the leaders of the 2.5 tribes of Israel explain Phinehas that this altar was not for the purpose of burnt grain or any other type of offering. The leaders explain that the purpose of this altar was that it would stand as a witness between the generations of their tribes and the tribes that were located in the promised land. This altar would make sure that the tribes of Israel situated outside the promised land would not be questioned with regards to their participation concerning matters of the God of Israel. Towards the end of this chapter, we see Phinehas goes back and explains the purpose of the altar to the rest of the tribes and war is averted. This is how the chapter ends. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Until next time, may God bless us all. Bye bye.